First of all, we will go to our terminal and then create a directory, make directory project, and then go to this project directory, and then here we will create new project. So our console app was created. Now we go to our Visual Studio Code and open this project. Here we will remove this line. So first we will see implicit conversion in C# language. So basically, let us take a variable of double data type, which will be like equal to 3.14 something, and then take a variable I where we want to store the integral value of this. So we can use implicit conversion. For that you need to add parentheses and then data type which you want to convert this, and then the variable name. Now we can just print this I variable, and before that also we can print d value of d, console.writeLine d, and here we can write I. And now we can run this program at our terminal. So we need to go to our terminal and then write a command .NET run. And now here you can see it's a double, and it's an integer data type and it's a double data type. So we have converted this into this. So now we will go to our Visual Studio and we'll see explicit conversion in C#. So let us take an example of explicit conversion with these variables. So we have already defined them, right? So we should comment them and write here double d equal to 3.14, then int I equal to. So in order to convert a double value into integer using explicit conversion, you need to write convert and then to int 32 function. So basically you can write 16, 8 or 32-bit, whichever you want. So it's a 32-bit signed integer, and then we can just print them using writeLine function. And now we can run this program on our terminal. So we go to terminal and then just using .NET run we can run this. So here you can see the output will be same. So we can use both these conversion types, and we can perform some more operations also. For example, if we want to convert a string to an integer, so convert a string to an integer. Let us take a string. Now we'll take a variable int I or istr. Now we need to write int pass and then str. So this parse will convert this string value into an integer, and we can also print using writeLine. Similarly, if we want to convert a string to a decimal, then we need to write decimal dot parse, right? Or converting a string to a decimal. Decimal dstr equal to decimal dot parse, and then we can just print it as well. Also, if we want to convert an object to a string, so we can use a toString function object. We will discuss the object later on further videos, but for now I can tell you that if you want to convert an object to a string, then you can use object.toString function, right? You want to convert an object to a string, right? And if you want to convert a character to its ASCII equivalent, then you need to use a implicit conversion. For example, if you want to convert a character into ASCII value, then you need to write, for example, character A IC equal to int C. So this will convert this into its respective ASCII value, and we can also print it using write line, right? And for example, if you want to convert integer to double, then you can use double in this one, right? And similarly you can use other functions too, but there are only basically two types: explicit conversion and implicit conversion. Now we'll run this program in our terminal. So I'll go to our terminal and we will run this using .NET run command, and here you can see the output is shown. So 97 is the ASCII code, and similarly these are the output for the conversion we have done in our Visual Studio. Alright, thank you.